We're here at IoT in Action Santa Clara, and I'm here with Rishab from Quest Global. Tell me a little bit about how it feels to be at IoT in Action and what it means for your team to be able to be here interacting with customers and industry experts.
So it's a pleasure to be here at IoT in Action. It's great to be amidst this energy and all the insightful conversations. We like to leverage this platform to showcase the capabilities of our solution and how it's applicable to all different industries. And it's also very helpful to understand what the requirements of the industry as well as the customers is and how we can cater to those needs.
Tell us a little bit about what Quest is showing here within the expo at IoT in Action, how the solution works, what problems does it solve, and plans for deployment.
Right. So we're actually showcasing our AI-driven vision analytics platform, which is called Third Eye. So basically, it takes the camera feed and then sends it to an AI algorithm where the inferencing takes place. And then we draw insights from that to give the businesses an opportunity to create actions that then reduce their costs and increase their ROIs.
Tell us a little bit about how Quest is approaching that and why building on the Azure platform really helps you bring value to customers.
Yeah, that's a great question. We actually, so partnering with Microsoft and using Azure platform really helps us ensure that security is there in the solution from the ground up, all the way from the edge to the cloud, and also ensure and empower our solution with features like high availability and consistency. So just having these major blocks of security, communication protocols in place, it's easier to focus on the use cases rather than the architectural components.
Can you give us your feedback and your thoughts on why is it so important to intertwine security when developing IoT solutions nowadays and going forward?
Right. So I think it's one of the most fundamental things in any IoT solution, which is security, because there's a lot of sensitive data that is being transmitted from one level to the other. And so on an enterprise level, you want to make sure that these enterprises trust you when they're working with you and they feel safe giving you access or creating a solution around their data. And you want to make sure that you meet a certain level of service level agreement and also ensure that security is delivered to them.
What is Quest Global's vision for IoT and how are you leveraging that vision to optimize efficiencies, improve customer experiences, and really just open up new business opportunities?
Right. So Quest Global is basically an engineering services company, which is focused on creating solutions specific to industries. And so we help enterprises adopt digital technologies using Azure services and others. So it's basically helpful for enterprises to leverage our services and actually take their solutions faster to the market.
Can you tell me a little bit about, are there any particular products or services on the Azure platform that has really helped Quest streamline their deployment or that you feel is going to really change the landscape of the intelligent edge, intelligent cloud ecosystem?
Right. So we're doing a lot of work with a lot of different services given by Microsoft. Specifically to the Azure platform, we're significantly using IoT Hub. Then we're using the SaaS offering, which is IoT Central, as well as the IoT Edge, which falls under the IoT Edge Hub umbrella. And one of the major factors that helps us push our solutions faster is the security component and different security services such as Azure Active Directory.
Can you tell me a little bit about how you see IoT evolving in the next 3 to 5 years and how you see your solution here today or Quest Global's impact in IoT really driving that growth?
Right. So we see the industry and IoT primarily moving towards the edge, and the intelligence moving more on the edge side. So that is we see the industry moving, and we'd like to focus on catering to those needs that are coming up.
If there was an opportunity to reach out and connect with all the customers watching this video on why they should work with Quest and why they should leverage your solution, what would that be?
So you should leverage our services as we have expertise in helping enterprises take their digital technology adoption and also reduce their time to market.